Hello everyone, welcome to Internal Auditing. You probably have noticed that the course is structured differently than the IT auditing course was. This course is structured in units by topic. So it's actually set up as 3 units. The first unit is an introduction to internal auditing. Unit 2 is conducting an internal audit, and Unit 3 is called After the Audit. It basically focuses on reporting of the audit findings, and then talks a little bit about some other things that internal auditors would do, such as, fraud deterrence, fraud detection, those types of things. So as you look at the class, you'll note that the first thing that you see is the course introduction, and you might notice that there's a folder there that says course documents. What I did was I put the syllabus and grading rubrics and things like that into a folder. It just tidies things up on the classroom side a little bit, so that everything's all in one place. When you click on that folder, it's going to open up as a zip folder, and then you can just click on that and it'll open up and you'll be able to get to all of those documents. You'll also notice there's a social forum. That's for you. You can ask questions, chat with each other. I'll try to pop in from time to time if somebody asks a question in there, so that I make sure that it gets answered. Please feel free to jump in and answer your classmates' questions. That's kind of what it's for. If you happen to be online and somebody asks a question and I'm not online, please jump in and help each other. There's also a news forum, and if there's an announcement to do with the class, then I'll post that in that. So you might want to make sure that you check that frequently. As you look through the units, you'll notice that there's a discussion. There's a weekly discussion in the units. Units 1 and 2 cover 3 weeks, and Unit 3 covers 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks of class. So Units 1 and 2 will have 3 weekly discussions. Unit 3 has 2 weekly discussions. There's also individual assignments. So you will have 1 or 2 case studies that you will do individually for each unit. And then there's also GLIME exams. So you'll notice that we're going to introduce the Certified Internal Auditor exam in the course. And there are GLIME study materials provided to you and an exam that you will take. And that's just meant to introduce you to the materials, so to kind of give you a feel for what the Certified Internal Auditor exam is all about, and that way you can decide if that's something that you want to pursue. Additionally, there's a group case study that will weave all the way through the course. You'll continue to work on that all 8 weeks. At the end of the class, during the December residency weekend, your team will make a presentation of your audit findings. So that just kind of gives you an overview of the class and lets you know exactly what's happening in the class and the structure of it. Please let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I'll see you soon.